Very warm welcome to all of you. Today in this video I am going to explain about Talk with Website. Talk with Website is your AI powered assistant. It will use RAG on 80 plus website. So basically I take Microsoft AI Engineer means AI 900 and AI 102 content. So let me see explain the architecture in detail. So here you can see the what are the available website in Microsoft Learn in past clear AI 102 and AI 900 exam. So here you can see the couple of documentation is there in Microsoft website AI 102 and what is the search service, what are the computer vision service available, how um, OCR work in Azure cloud. So yeah, here we have a lots of websites. So basically I created one CS CSV website contain all the above website. After we use LangChain website loader to load this thing, and after here we have a context window limit, because if we create that means whole entire website loader, it can't fix on one context window. So that's why we need to divide into some using some splitter. We need to uh, divide this thing into some chunk. After the chunk, whatever chunk we available, we use OpenAI embedding and store this thing into vector database. So we can use FACE, ChromaDB, etc. vector database. If user ask anything about this thing, so we take this user care query and content using OpenAI embedding. Um, Use similarity search or cosine similarity to retrieve this thing, and this answer will be more factual than if we ask a generic question. So yeah, here you can see the demo. If I ask a very generic question, what is AI 102? Yeah, here you can see that it will give answer. AI 102 is a design and implementation, and Azure AI solution is intended for software developer who want to AI infused application that leverage Azure AI services, Azure AI search, and Azure OpenAI. So here you can see that this information is the latest one. Let me ask another question. What is Azure Computer Vision? Yeah, here you can see the answer of this thing. Let me ask a very general question. What is the OCR? So yeah, here you can see the OCR is this thing. So here you can see whatever we ask a question on Microsoft documentation or Micro or Azure documentation, it will answer. But if we ask other question related to like what is Cloud Run, it can't give the answer. It will tell yeah, here you can see the what is Cloud Run. Yeah, I cannot answer the question that yeah not mentioned in Cloud Run. So yeah, this for today. This is our official submission of Microsoft Reg Hack 2024. If you have any doubt related to project, we can connect and we can discuss this. Also we can, if you are interested, we can collaborate and we can create an entire product. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead. Yeah.